Our Croatian adventures continue. Today we are going to Krka waterfall. It's a day trip to a waterfall and then the beach. See, I just walked for 1 minute and we are right in the lanes, or what do you call those mazes of the Diocletian Palace. I will leave a link to the place where I'm staying so that if you plan to come here, you will also have a place which is like right in the city center but also very close to the local life here.
My name is Brane, you can call me Frank, it's easy.
We have reached the waterfalls and this is my first view of the waterfall, and we have not even begun our trek or our hike. It is already so beautiful. Most amazing thing is how easily you can spot fishes here. They are like just having, they are going about their day. Our guide told us that they are not scared of like people being around. They are used to it. So really cool. I am actually a bit concerned because if you can see, on a very quite narrow bridge and not that if I fall inside something will happen, but there are a lot of fishes here and also the waterfall is here. So, and then my husband is also navigating a stroller, so not stressful, but yeah, need to navigate properly through these bridges. It looks like you are like in a cave or something and you're going through it. There's a little bit of sunlight coming through the trees, but it's pretty dark compared to a natural waterfall. We were, oh, there's a duck, so cute. Our guide did tell us to be aware of snakes. Not that they are poisonous, only 2 kinds of snakes. Oh my god, I just thought it was a snake. Only 2 kinds of species of snakes you can find here, but obviously they are not poisonous. But he also warned us to not pet them. If you can hear those sounds of the frogs, my biology teacher said that when these sounds are happening and the frogs are like, doing this thing, they are actually trying to impress the opposite gender for mating. So I saw one there. So now I'm trying to see the other ones, like who all are in the race to impress the female. Yeah, I found one, I'll show you. I could see 3 of them doing that sound, which means all the 3 of them are trying to impress the mate. How funny you learn to that. How funny it is you learn things in your school and then now when you come in the nature you get to experience them. We are definitely doing a lot more adventure than others. I just couldn't believe what I saw there. But if I'm being honest, it was super crowded. It might not have come in the video, but I had to stand in the line for like 2-3 minutes to actually get the shots. You have like some really steep steps, so shoes are a better option if you are coming here. So I took a right decision at the last moment today to wear shoes. We have come to our end of our Krka waterfall adventures, and now we are going on a boat towards Skardin beach. I'm very excited for that because if it's a beach, it means swimming. I am really eager to get into the water. in the hunt for the beach. Finally, we have reached the town of Skardin, and well, there is not a lot to explore here, but for me, I'm happy that I've come here because I get to go into the beach. I'm like 2 minutes walk away from it. Yeah, I found it. Literally safe because I don't know a lot of swimming. I can just do this desi swimming, but I think this is really nice to just enjoy, also see the clear waters and enjoy the weather. These clear waters, these views. There's also a boat coming from that side. I need to be careful. What else do you want on your Europe beach vacation? As you can see, I am out of the sea. It was such an amazing experience. I always dreamt of like swimming in an European ocean. This was not actually an ocean. This was like a combination of sea and river, but it was nevertheless, it was really nice. I'm really tired because I did a lot of swimming.